Ever wondered how to recognize the signs of a heart not performing at its best? The heart, the body's hardest working muscle, is integral to our overall health. It's crucial to understand the signs of potential heart troubles. Common symptoms include discomfort in the chest, shortness of breath, and unexplained fatigue. These signs could be your body's way of telling you that your heart might need some attention. Identifying these symptoms early can be instrumental in managing heart disease. So, what are the telltale signs that your heart might be asking for help? Well, chest pain is often a red flag, but it's not just about the chest. Discomfort can also show up in other parts of the upper body, like the arms, neck, jaw, or stomach. Shortness of breath is another common symptom, especially if it occurs at rest or with minimal exertion. Other signs include lightheadedness, nausea, or breaking out in a cold sweat. These symptoms can be subtle, but they should never be ignored. What do you do if you or a loved one displays these symptoms? That's a question we must not ignore. The first step is to seek immediate medical attention. Don't hesitate. Time is of the essence in these cases. Common treatments vary from lifestyle changes, such as a healthier diet and regular exercise, to medication. In some instances, cardiac procedures or even surgery might be necessary. It all depends on the individual case. Remember, prompt action can save lives. But wouldn't it be better to prevent heart disease altogether? Indeed, prevention truly is the best cure. It starts with a healthy diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Regular exercise, at least 30 minutes most days of the week, is also essential. Let's not forget about kicking those harmful habits to the curb too, like smoking. And moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Lastly, never underestimate the power of regular checkups. A healthy lifestyle can go a long way in keeping your heart happy and healthy. In conclusion, your heart health is crucial for your overall well-being. Don't overlook symptoms, seek immediate medical intervention, follow treatments, and make lifestyle changes for prevention. Remember, when it comes to your heart, every beat counts.